In the period data window, manage the period and activities data. Specify the activity quantity. Specify performed work. Specify the resource that influences the activity productivity. Obtain the automatic calculation of duration and period quantity. The period productivity can also be held constant. Choose the weather condition to reduce productivity. Hide the period data window. Automatically view the period data window. When a new activity is inserted, when the activity quantity is modified, or when an activity is splitted.